This is a review of the IPL hair removal device, and I've included pictures of what comes included with the in the box. There is this nice card of support, I guess, and then a manual, the device itself, and its charger, as well as some glasses and a cute little razor. The device is actually absolutely easy to use. This is where it worked as a hair removal. This is where you connect it to charge it. This is the button that you push in order to get the IPL treatment. And this is the screen where it tells you how many are left and what strength you need or you want to use for that. And they do include a tiny sort of little chart that it says, you know, the residual number, because they do include the number, you know, from the get-go, and then what the gear position is, which is how many, and then the light output mode, and then the fan. So for all of these, you know, you do need to kind of figure out which one you want to use for your skin tone. The most important step is that, or the first step is really to shave your hair, and then clean the area and make sure it's hair free, and then start using the device. And I'll go through that as well. The thing that they do make a point of is that you need to place the devices in 90 angle degree on the skin and make sure that the flash window is in full contact with your entire skin. So with that, we are going to go ahead and just try really quickly to do that. I've had multiple treatments and from different places, and so for me, I don't really have a lot of hair, but I have some here, so I'm gonna for these purposes just shave a little bit. I know this is not fun to do hard without a shaving cream, but I did want to kind of and then, you know, they say to clean it with some cloth, and you need to turn this on, and this is the power button, and I forget if you need to. Okay, so it's on right now. The fan is working. You can increase the strength, which we are doing. And this is when it turns off. Actually, it does say like how many seconds before it turns off. So now it will turn off because I turn it off. But we're gonna go back ahead, increase the strength. Now we're good. If you can see that like that, that's great. It doesn't really go back to the original one. So this is the button that you need to use when doing the treatment. This is not going to be fun. You do need to wear your glasses to protect your eyes because the light is not fun. They say that you can either just do the treatment, which is, you know, you kind of make sure, as we talked about, that this is in full contact with your skin, and I did feel that. Or, and then you feel, you know it's working because you smell the hair burning, but you're really not in pain. Or you can continue, you know, holding this button and then slide over. So it just does your treatment. And you do want to kind of do the treatments close to each other to make sure like every follicle is targeted and taken care of. And this is pain-free. There's no pain for me, at least. And it does say that, you don't want to. It does give you an idea of how often you should use it. 3 times a week, for example, for the first 1 to 4 weeks, 5 to 6. When you hit the first month and you're done and you're working towards the second month, maybe you're doing it twice a week, and then reducing the frequency until you are completely resolved. The thing I can say about this, because I do have a Trulia, or had purchased before I started to go to professional places, is that it does absolutely feel and smell the same as this huge devices that they use. Obviously it's not the same effect, but quite and widely different from the Trulia device that I had that really did nothing for me. And absent that, it will be a few weeks to see how often hair growth happen, and chart that and update my review. And I hope you found it helpful.